Today I want to draw a guitar. Hope you will like. Let's start. For drawing, I need a white paper, pencil eraser and a scale. Here we go. I start with HB pencil. First I try to draw a shape. For that, here I draw a H shape. The upper part should be smaller than the down one. Now I try to draw the main line and give it a guitar structure. Axis lines and make a perfect shape. Here I draw a circle. Next, here I try to draw the side line. In the down part, here I am drawing a rectangular box. The small rectangular. Scale, here I make a line and give a perfect guitar shape. This is relatively an easy drawing process. If you like my video, please like it, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.